And also we can upload it for the MCQ by IAT2, the sample MCQ. I think around we can expected nearly 50%, 40 to 50% we can expected to ask the same set of questions. Out of 40 we can expected nearly 15 to 20 questions or 25 questions comes from the set of 60 questions. I uploaded the 60 questions in the Google Classroom. Please go to the papers, go to the MCQ with explanation also is given. The same pattern we can ask in the remaining questions. And some of the questions asked from GATE question paper also. I think BPT Chavidama. Students, are we visible the BPT?
No, sir.
Yeah, one second. Now are we visible the PPT, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, very good morning, ma'am. It's the 46th class of and 10th class of Unit 4, Algebraic and Structures. We move on to the next one. Rings and field. This is that we can discuss in the last class, and some more problem we can cut in the last class. We shall now consider the algebraic system with the two binary operations, namely rings and field. Rings and field. Here, the abstract concept of a group had its origin from the set of mapping or permutations of a set onto itself, but rings had its origin from the set of integers which involve two basic operations of addition and multiplication. So till now we are seeing only one operation. Now we are going to see for two operations now, addition and multiplication. There are two operations we are going to see for the rings and field. And now we move on to what is the definition of rings. Definition of rings. So the definition is a non-empty set capital R with two binary operations denoted by plus and dot called addition and multiplication is called a ring if the following axioms are satisfied. If you want to say R is a ring, what are the conditions it should be satisfied? The first one, R is abelian group under the addition. R comma plus is an abelian group with 0 as identity. For addition, identity is 0. So R comma plus is an abelian group under addition. That is the first proof. Second one, R comma dot is a semi group under multiplication. What do you mean by semi group? Can you say anyone? What do you mean by semi group?
Sir, first two property மட்டும் satisfy பண்றது.
That is the closure and associative மட்டும் satisfy பண்ணும். அப்ப டாட்டை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் closure and associative மட்டும் it's enough. Addition பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் closure, associative, identity, inverse and commutative. An abelian group இருக்கணும். So under addition it is a abelian group. Under multiplication only for semi group. Closure axioms and associative மட்டும் satisfy பண்ணா போதும் for addition. The operator dot is distributive over addition. Over addition அப்படிங்கிறது outside plus inside. Over na inside plus outside on the dot. A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. And B plus C dot A equal to B dot A plus C dot A. For all A comma B belongs to R. மூணு condition satisfy பண்ணா we can say the given R is a ring. So there are three conditions it should be satisfied. First one is R comma plus is an abelian group. And the second case, R comma dot is an semi group. Then the distributive law, A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C, and B plus C dot A equal to B dot A plus B dot C. These are the things we need to show that. Okay, this is called a ring. Some more examples. Z comma, now it is a rings or field. We can give two operations. Here the two operations Z comma plus comma dot. Yeah, Z comma plus comma dot, Q comma plus comma dot, R comma plus comma dot, and the Z is a integer, set of all integers. Under addition and multiplication, it is a ring. Q is a set of all rational numbers. Under addition, multiplication, and R is a real number. C is a complex number. Are all rings. That is an example of rings. If R comma plus comma dot is a ring, then the singleton set, singleton 0, is a subset of capital R, is itself is a ring. It's a singleton set, that is called a null ring or zero ring subset. Example of R comma plus comma dot, the subset is singleton 0 also is a ring and solidlam. So next one, a ring R comma plus comma dot is said to be commutative ring அப்படின்னு சொன்னா A dot B equal to B dot A. அதாவது under additionல அது abelian தான். Under addition abelian is comes from for ring குள்ள definitionல it will be satisfied. Under multiplication A dot B equal to B dot A commutative property satisfy panna, we can say a ring with commutative is said to be a commutative ring. Under the addition, it is commutative, and under multiplication also commutative. We can say it's a commutative ring. A ring R comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring with identity if there exists an element 1 belongs to capital R such that A dot 1 equal to 1 dot A equal to A. For all A belongs to capital R, we can say the given ring R is a ring with identity. A ring, it satisfies the commutative property, it is a commutative ring. A ring with satisfies the identity all are under addition, under multiplication. So given a ring with identity, and there exists an element 1 belongs to such that A dot 1 equal to 1 dot A, and we can say it's a ring with identity. If R comma plus comma dot is a commutative ring, then A not equal to 0 belongs to capital R. A non-zero element is said to be a zero divisor. Is said to have a zero divisor if the condition is if there exists a non-zero some element, if there exists a non-zero B belongs to capital R such that AB equal to 0. Now, two non-zero element எடுத்து multiply பண்ண answer 0 வந்துச்சுனா we can say it is a zero divisor. Zero divisor, a commutative ring. First of all, it should be a commutative ஆகணும். A commutative ring said to be a zero divisor அப்படினா it should be satisfied two non-zero element. Once you can multiply, the answer is 0. Two non-zero element, if there exists a non-zero element B, product should be 0. A non-zero, B non-zero. இது எந்த கேஸ் வரும் அப்படின்னா is a modulo groupல வரும். ஏன்னா modulo அந்த groupல தான் possible. Some more examples. Okay, example, obviously a ring, the set of all A, B, C, D is a matrix. Is a matrix A, B, C, D எல்லாமே integers. A, B, C, D belongs to integers. And A equal to some example, I like to take it as A equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. B equal to 0, 1, 1, 1. But the product answer 0. A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, but the product on the 0. A being a matrix on the 0. It is a commutative ring with zero divisor. Without zero divisor, what is the meaning? With zero divisor, product of two elements equal to 0, both elements are non-zero. Non-zero element, two non-zero elements are product, you can get zero divisors further. Without zero devices, what you can say? What do you mean by without zero devices? The product of two elements equal to 0, any one of the element must be 0. Any one of the element must be 0, then we can say it is a zero devices. A ring without zero devices, we can say. Now, what is the meaning of zero divisor and without zero devices? Okay, then. The next definition, if in a commutative ring R comma plus comma dot, if for any A comma B belongs to S such that A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, which implies AB not equal to 0, then the ring is without zero divisors, or A dot B equal to 0, which implies A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. That is a zero divisor. Next definition of integral domain. What do you mean by integral domain? A commutative ring R comma plus comma dot with identity and without zero devices is called an integral domain. A commutative ring. Commutative ring na ring abdinale R comma plus is a abelian group. R comma dot is a commutative group, and obviously all satisfies the distributive law over the addition, multiplication over the addition. It should be satisfied. This is called a ring. Commutative ring meaning, and the ring R is satisfied the commutative property under multiplication. A dot B equal to B dot A. As satisfied, we can say is a commutative ring. And identity, with identity meaning A dot 1 equal to 1 dot A equal to answer is A, and the identity element is satisfied. Next, without zero devices, two element product of two element equal to 0, either one must be equal to 0. Then it is called a without zero devices. Are we clear for the definition of integral domain? The most important one, integral domain. R comma plus is an abelian group. R comma dot is a semi group and monoid in in a multiplication satisfied identity. R comma dot is a monoid. Semi group monoid in and commutative property satisfied. Then distributive multiplication over addition. Let me satisfy it is called a, and also without zero divisor. It's called a integral domain. Next one. Example. Z5 modulo group. அதோட elements எல்லாமே 5 elements இருக்கும் from 0 ல இருந்து 4 வரைக்கும். 0 1 2 3 4 5 அப்படினா again 0. It is a meaning either divided by 5 or subtracted 5 until the term less than 5. How to subtract 5 until the term less than 5 வரைக்கும். And divided you should write the remainder. That is a quotient group normally you can write. So Z5 under plus 5 and multiplication 5 under plus 5 and multiplication 5, it is a integral domain. That is an example of integral domain. It is an integral domain. Are you clear, ma? It is an integral domain. If anybody got a doubt? Z comma plus comma 5. If anybody got a doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Okay. Next definition of field. A commutative ring R comma plus comma dot. I think in the example a table my podama Z5 ki rendu table poduvom. One on the addition, one on the multiplication put check panninga it's enough. One more example I can do it. Okay, definition of field. A commutative ring R comma plus comma dot with identity in which every non-zero element has multiplicative inverse is called a field. A commutative ring with identity automatically the identity property satisfy inverse satisfy and commutative satisfy. Then it is called a field. Can you say anyone some other different way? Field variable definition சொல்லலாம். நார்மலா ரிங் அப்படின்னா R comma plus is an abelian group ன்னு சொல்லியிருப்போம். R comma dot semi group. இப்போ அந்த செமி குரூப்போட ஒரு ஐடென்டிட்டியை சேர்த்துக்க சொல்லிட்டாங்க அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இன்வர்ஸும் சேர்த்துக்க சொல்லியாச்சு. எவ்வளவு நான்-ஜீரோ எலிமெண்ட் ஹாஸ் ஏ மல்டிப்ளிகேட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ். ஐடென்டிட்டியும் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டோம், இன்வர்ஸும் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டோம், காமுடேட்டிவும் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்போ ஃபீல்டுக்குள்ள டெஃபினிஷன் எப்படிமா சொல்லலாம்? டெஃபினிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபீல்டு எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? செமி குரூப்போட ஐடென்டிட்டி ஆட் பண்ணிட்டேன் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஐடென்டிட்டி ஆட் பண்ணா அதுக்கு போய் மோனாய்டு. நார்மலா க்ளோஷர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி மட்டும் இருந்தா பைனரி ஆபரேஷன். க்ளோஷர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியோட அசோசியேட்டிவ் சேர்ந்து we can prove that அப்படின்னா that is called a semi group. க்ளோஷர் அண்ட் அசோசியேட்டிவ் மட்டும் இருந்தா செமி group. இப்போ அகைன் ஐடென்டிட்டி சேர்த்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா இட் இஸ் அ மோனாய்டு. க்ளோஷர் அசோசியேட்டிவ் அண்ட் ஐடென்டிட்டி சேர்ந்தா மோனாய்டு. அந்த குரூப்புக்கு நேம் வந்து மோனாய்டு. தென் க்ளோஷர் அசோசியேட்டிவ் ஐடென்டிட்டி அண்ட் இன்வர்ஸ் சேர்ந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஏ குரூப். 4 கண்டிஷனை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணா குரூப். In addition, commutative property satisfy panna abelian group. Commutative property satisfy panna we can say it's abelian group. Appo field what is the definition sollalam? Field ku naanga eludhika definition a commutative ring R comma plus comma dot with identity in which every non-zero element has multiplicative inverse is called a field. In which every non-zero element has a multiplicative inverse is called a field. Can you say any other definition? Generalized சொன்னீங்கன்னா எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? Can you say anyone, ma? Can you say anyone? Any other way we can express the definition of field? Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you say any other way, different way of, you can say it is a definition of field, ma? R comma plus is an abelian group. R is a group, abelian group under addition. Similarly, R comma dot is an abelian group. ஏன்னா செமி குரூப் சொல்லியாச்சு. நார்மலா டெஃபினிஷன் ஆஃப் ரிங்லேயே செமி குரூப் இன்க்ளூடட். நான் இங்க ஐடென்டிட்டியும் மல்டிபிளிகேட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸும் இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். அப்போ தட் ஃபோர் இட் இஸ் ஏ குரூப் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ காம்படேட்டிவ் ரிங்னு வேற சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா இட் இஸ் ஏ அபிலியன் குரூப் அண்டர் அடிஷன். ஸோ ஆர் இஸ் ஏ குரூப் அண்டர், ஆர் இஸ் ஏ அபிலியன் குரூப் அண்டர் அடிஷன் அண்ட் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா multiplication over addition satisfied, then it is called a field. So the definition of field na R is a abelian group under addition and multiplication. Addition apporthum adu abelian groupaakanum, multiplication apporthum abelian groupaakanum, and also distributive law satisfy pananum. Distributive law engadhu multiplication over additionaakanum. That's all. The moone condition satisfy panna we can say it is a field in solid. So the field kulla definition, R is a abelian group under addition and multiplication and also satisfy distributive law. It is called a field. Integral domain, the definition of integral domain is R is a commutative group under addition. R is a monoid, with identity. Monoid under multiplication and also commutative property satisfied and distributive law satisfied and without zero devices is called an integral domain. So integral domain example the Z5. Field example rational number comma plus comma dot. Real number comma plus comma dot. Complex number comma under addition and multiplication is a field. Integers or integer is an integral domain but not field. Z comma plus comma dot is an integral domain. So it is a field. It is a integral. It is a integral domain satisfy pannom. Ana but it is not a field irukadhu. Why it is not a field? அப்படிங்கும்போது under multiplicationக்கு inverse exist ஆகும். அதனால தான் அது field இல்லைன்னு சொல்றோம். Under multiplication பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் it is not defined for inverse property. ஏன்னா இப்போ 2க்கு inverse வந்து 1/2. அது zல கிடையாது. 1/2 does not belongs to z. ஏன்னா 1/2 it is not an integer. It is a rational. பட் இன்டெக்ரல் டொமைனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நமக்கு டெஃபினேஷன்ல இன்வர்ஸ் கிடையாது. மூணாயிடு தான். ஐடென்டிட்டியோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் அண்டர் மல்டிபிளிகேஷன்ல z வந்து ஐடென்டிட்டி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணும். அதே மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் 2 நம்பர் அண்ட் இன்டிஜரை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் 2 நம்பர் 0னா either one must be 0வா இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் ஆன்சர் 0. அதனால வித்தவுட் 0 டிவைஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணுது. ஸோ z கமா பிளஸ் கமா டாட் இஸ் அன் இன்டெக்ரல் டொமைன் பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் எ ஃபீல்டு. ஏன் ஃபீல்டு கிடையாதுன்னா இன்வர்ஸ் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆகாது. அதனால வி கேனாட் சே. மல்டிபிளிகேஷனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் காமுடேட்டிவ்லாம் இருக்கும், இன்வர்ஸ் மட்டும் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆகாது. தட்ஸ் வை இட்ஸ் நாட் எ ஃபீல்டு. The theorem, every field is an integral domain. ஒரு செட்டை வந்து நீங்க ஃபீல்ட் அப்படின்னு இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அது இன்டெக்ரல் டொமைனை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணிடும். ஏன்னா இன்டெக்ரல் டொமைன் டெஃபினேஷன் எல்லாமே உள்ள வந்தது. ஒன்னு வித்தவுட் ஜீரோ டிவைஸ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஃபீல்ட்லயும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகும். ஸோ எவ்ரி ஃபீல்ட் இஸ் அன் இன்டெக்ரல் டொமைன். அதுக்கு ஒரு பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் Q of root 2. That is, we can define the a plus b into square root of 2. A comma b belongs to rational number is a field under usual addition and multiplication. Under usual addition and multiplication. I will give some more examples. Previously, I can give Z5 as the example. Now I can take it as Z4 more. Prove that the set Z4 0, 1, 2, 3. இதை பாக்ஸ் போட்டு நான் போட்ட மாதிரி பாக்ஸ் போட்டும் போடலாம் அந்த பாடத்துல, இல்லை நார்மலா கமா போட்டும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க புக்ல. இஸ் a commutative ring with respect to the binary operation under modulo 4 and multiplication 4. Commutative ring ன்னு சொல்லணும். அப்போ commutative ring அப்படின்னா first of all it should be satisfied a ring definition. What do you mean by ring definition? Under additionல commutative ring-ஆ இருக்கணும், under multiplicationல semi group-ஆ இருக்கணும், and distributive law பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் multiplication over addition satisfy பண்ணணும். இந்த மூணு கண்டிஷனை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணா அதுக்கு பேர் ring. Under multiplicationல commutative property satisfy பண்ணா we can say it's a commutative ring. So I can draw a table of composition table of addition modulo 4 and multiplication modulo 4 are given in the table. There are two tables. Here the term is 0 to 3 and 0 to 3. Here 0 to 3 under addition and under multiplication. Already we told that two numbers add பண்ணும்போது more 3 or more than 3. In case of answer 4 and under modulo 4 4 or more than 4. Add பண்ணும்போது 4 ன்னு வந்துச்சுன்னா answer 0. More than 4 in vanda you can try to divide by 4 or subtracted 4 until less than 4 and the remainder அப்படிங்க எழுதணும். That's all. Divided by 4 4 divide பண்ணா remainder 0 னு எழுதிக்கலாம். So try to fill the box. And similarly for multiplication, you try to multiply and then divide by 4. So அப்ப இது மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனுக்காக ஒரு டேபிள் and then additionக்கு ஒரு டேபிள், K-list table சொல்லுவோம். அப்ப இந்த டேபிளுக்கு உள்ள எல்லா வேல்யூஸும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா க்ளோஷர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணிடுது. ஆல்ரெடி ஐ டோல்ட் யூ க்ளோஷர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகுது. அண்ட் தென் காமுடேட்டிவ் செக் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் எடுக்க சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இன்சைடு வேல்யூவை யூ கேன் டேக் எ டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் வெதர் இட் வில் பி மே பாசிபிள் ஆர் நாட். அதை செக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா போத் வேல்யூஸ் ஆர் சேமா இருந்தா then we can say it is a abelian group. Abelian commutative property satisfied. So it is a clearly from the composition tables we observe that the following all the entries in both the tables belongs to Z4. Hence Z4 is a closure under modulo 4, addition modulo 4 and multiplication modulo 4 and so on. The entries in the first row are the same as those of the first column. That is a transpose in both tables. Hence Z is a commutative with respect to both under addition and modulo multiplication. Third one, so clearly easily verify that the associative property automatically satisfy. I clearly in we can write on example they will give one more example general formula associative. I can choose one of the example 3 1 2 3 எடுத்துக்கங்க. Okay, also it will be satisfied. Thus associative law is satisfied for the both case addition and multiplication. ரெண்டுக்குமே associative law satisfy ஆகுது. And multiplicative identity, additive identity வந்து 0, multiplicative identity வந்து 1, both are satisfied. Hence 0 and 1 are the additive and multiplicative identities of Z4. Closure property check பண்ணிட்டோம், commutative check ஆயிடுச்சு, associative satisfied and also identity. It is all you can நம்ம சொல்ல வேண்டிய statement is commutative ring with respect to binary operation. It's a commutative ring தான் சொல்லணும். So clearly identity exists, only commutative property exists. Distributive law we need to check. Try to go for distributive. But it is easily verified that the additive inverse of 0 1 2 3 respectively 0 3 2 1 and the multiplicative inverse of the non-zero element 1 of the non-zero element 1 2 3 are respectively 1 2 3. If A comma B comma C distributive check பண்றேன், distributive multiplicative over addition, outside multiplication இருக்கணும், inside bracket குள்ள plus வரும். அப்ப if A comma B comma C belongs to Z4, then it can be verified that A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Similarly B plus C into A, B into A plus C into A. So that is for example it is a distributive law also satisfied. So it is satisfied that distributive law also. Nearly 140 students are there. Try to inform your friends, try to join them. 10 more, only 5 more minutes is there. Okay, so it is clearly Z comma plus comma dot it is a commutative ring. It is satisfied, it is a commutative ring. So each and everything, the K-list table, once you can draw a K-list table, we can conclude the result. In all those things, we can conclude the results. That is an example of commutative ring. Next, one more example is show that Z comma plus and dot is a commutative ring where the operation plus and dot is defined A comma B belongs to the integer Z as A plus B equal to A plus B minus 1. A dot B equal to A plus B minus AB. We cannot draw a K-list table. K-list table it should be a finite set. It is an infinite set. Z is an integer, infinite set. We can check for closure property for both addition and multiplication. A plus B minus 1 no, B plus A minus 1 closure property satisfied. And product closure satisfied. If Z is a commutative with respect to the operation plus and dot, commutative property check for that. A plus B plus C. A plus B equal to B plus C. Okay, first one. So commutative satisfy A dot B. So A dot B equal to B dot A. Commutative also satisfied. In the above itself, under additionally a closure property le sollitom. So commutative property satisfied. Next associative. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. And also multiplication. And maybe we have to check it. So associative also satisfied. For both cases, associative satisfied. So that for closure completed both addition and multiplication. And commutative property also satisfied both under addition and multiplication. And associative also satisfied both addition and multiplication. Next. The associative law is satisfied by under addition and multiplication. Next. Additive. Additive also satisfied for under addition. Z equal to 1 is the additive inverse. And U is the multiplicative identity of Z. So U not equal to 0. A plus U minus A equal to 0. So U into 1 minus A. Therefore A not equal to 1. U equal to 0. Hence 1 and 0 are the additive and multiplicative identity of Z under plus and operation dot. So A plus B equal to B plus A. If A plus B minus 1 equal to 1, then B equal to 2 minus A. That is the additive inverse of A is 2 minus A. 2 minus A integer Z. Z belongs to Adam. Clearly, additive inverse is exist. And I like to check for multiplicative. A plus C equal to minus AC equal to 0. If A plus C into 1 minus A equal to 0. If C is equal to A by A minus 1, A not equal to 1. So therefore, the multiplicative inverse of A is A by A minus 1. So the multiplicative inverse of A is A by A minus 1. So multiplicative inverse is satisfied. Finally, we have to check distributive law. A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus C operation simplification panni LHS equal to RHS we have to check. LHS is A dot B plus C and RHS equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Here also you can draw a bracket now. A dot B plus A dot C. So also it is satisfied. Thus A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Similarly, it can be verified that for A plus B dot C equal to A dot C plus B dot C. So our distributive is satisfied. So there is a commutative satisfied, closure, associative, identity, and distributive. Automatically we can say it is a commutative ring. That we have to show that. So it is a commutative ring. So that is an example of commutative ring. So there are two more examples we can check. Commutative ring and integral zero divisor and field examples. Rare cases they can ask the theorems. Never asking for this one. Syllabus is rings and field. Example and definition of rings and field. So this is the rings and field. Example of rings and field. So this is for our unit 4. So unit 4 mostly we can expect the theorems and the properties also sometimes they can ask. So this is for our unit 4. Yeah, okay. Students, if anybody has a doubt?
No, sir.
So this is the unit 4. Up to this you can go through for unit 4 now. So in the 2 more classes, now we have planned for 12 hours. Almost unit 4 is over. Anyway, the university questions we can discuss in the upcoming classes. In the 2 more, tomorrow first hour and Thursday. Wednesday we don't have the class. And Thursday we would like to complete this unit now. And 2 more hours we can discuss part A and part B of university questions. So please try to go to unit 4 and check your Google Classrooms. Just I can stop the recording once again.